Okay, now continue on from the last video. In the last page, we actually put down the information that we found from the sites. Now we're going to give credit where credit is due. So here we go. We're going to actually go ahead and set up a box first. So we're going to go down here, and our box for text pops up. So we're going to go ahead and shrink it down. Go ahead and put this right here on the line and extend it. There we go. All right, so now it's ready and we can go ahead and get our information. It says here, with a partner, we're going to add the credit information to your school research report. So remember, author, comma, title, comma, website, period. So we need that punctuation to separate everything. So here we go for the first one. So resource 1 was by Tamara Jones. The title is A New Band Coming Together, and the website is www.thedigitalcitizens.org. Okay, so we're going to go back to Nearpod and we're going to do Tamara, T-A-M-A-R-A, Jones. So here we go. To get a capital T, we do a shift hold with our pinky, and with our other hand, we hit the T. So we got T-A-M-A-R-A. That's Tamara. Then we're going to give a space. We're going to hold down the shift key with our other pinky, and with the other hand, hit J-O-N-E-S. As you learn to type, you'll know where those keys are. So just keep practicing your typing too. Okay, so Tamara Jones, and now we need the title. The title is A New Band Coming Together. So A New Band Coming Together. All right, so to get the capital A, shift hold A, space, new, shift in, E-W, new, space, band, shift B, A-N-D, a new band coming together, shift C-O-M-I-N-G, space, shift T, to, get, a new band coming together. Double check, make sure we did it right. A new band coming together, yes. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and go down to the next line. So to do that, I just click on the T and click on it again, and I get a new box. Okay, I'm going to move this down here so it's sitting on the line. Drag it out. There we go. And now we're going to do the website, and all websites start with that www, which stands for World Wide Web, period. The Digital Citizens. Oh, well, that's the name of the band, so .org. So maybe we can remember that. The, is it capital though? Let me see. Nope, no capitals. The digitalcitizens.org. Okay. The digital citizens. C. This time the sound is a C. It's next to an I. Sit is. There's our Z. E-N. The digitalcitizens.org. No spaces, no capital. But we will put a period at the end because that's what the instructions said. Author, comma, title, comma, website, dot. There it is. Okay, good job. All right, so now we're going to do the next one. So we're going to go to T. Let's do this one in blue. And we're going to bring it down here. Put it right there, right on the line. Spread it out with a left click hold. Okay. And now we're going to go back to the sway. Go down to the next resource by Michael Jenner. That's M-I-C-H-A-E-L. Okay, so here we go. Capital M, that's a shift M-I-C-H-A-E-L. Space, Jenner, shift J-E-N-N-E-R. Jenner, comma, space. All right, going back, introducing feet, introducing feet. Okay, so capital I in intro, T-R-O, do, D-U, sing. Not the sing as the S-I-N-G, it's the C-I-N-G. Introducing, space, shift F, E-E-T, introducing feet. So that is our title. And www.newbeatstoday.com is our website. I'm not sure if it's going to fit there, so we're going to go ahead and make a new one. And again, shrink it down, put it on the line as much as you can. Left click, hold, drag it out. And as we already said, it starts with a www dot. Let's look here. No capitals, no spaces, newbeatstoday.com. So new, N-E-W, beats, B, and the word eat is in beat, E-A-T, new beats today, T-O, today, D-A-Y, .com. All right, newbeatstoday.com, newbeatstoday.com. Excellent, good. All right, so we've got 2 of the resources done. One more. Let's go ahead and put it into another color. We'll go orange this time. Shrink it up, drag it down. It's not letting me go. Okay, well, let's see. Oh, right over here. Well, now we're just going to move it over here until I can move it somewhere else. Okay, we'll just kind of do that. There we go. All right, so the next one, it's just being stubborn. Okay, it's called The New Song by the Digital Citizenry. Okay, so the Digital Citizenry, we're going to be typing. So that's the author. Oops. So click in here, the Digital Citizenry, right? Yep, citizenry. Good. The Digital Citizenry. All right. And the thing is, the new song release is the title. So we need a comma, space, capital N, new, space, song, S-O-N-G, new song, space, capital R-E-L-E-A-S-E, release. Okay, new song release, good. And www.wethedigitalcitizens.com. Okay, so new one, so we go down here. And now I'm going to move it over here. Okay, so we're going to make another one. I'm going to do the same thing right here. And we'll just move it later. So, and again, it starts with no spaces, digital, D-I-G-I-T-A-L, digital citizen, C-I-T-I-Z-E-N-S. Is that right? Got to check my memory. We the Digital Citizens, yes, s.com. Okay, .com. All right. So there it is. And then we've got it all here. Right on the line. Looks good. All right, we can go on. So then all you do is you click on the submit and then you move on. So, like I said, we'll just move on and I will catch you on the next slide.